You asked for them, and here they are. I have had a couple viewers request that I review some taillights, some aftermarket taillights for the trucks. And here we are. I had an opportunity with Autosaver 88. These are the 2019 to 2024. This is an LED conversion, so it's for the trucks with the incandescent bulbs. And then you can upgrade to LED style. So basically you just remove the taillights. And I'll go into how to remove the taillights in a little bit, but let's just go over the taillight assemblies themselves right now. Now, these are available in clear, red, and smoked. This is the clear version. The red looks similar to factory, but with an LED upgrade, and then smoked is just kind of blacked out lens here. And this is a polycarbonate impact resistant lens right there, and it does have a one-way vent valve inside to prevent moisture. So those are all pluses on there. Now, it also comes with the resistors needed. So that way you don't get the fast blinking turn signals, and those just plug right in. You just secure those right there. Now what you want to do is to remove this, it's just a Torx bolt, 2 Torx bolts holding onto the side. You remove those and then you need to pull. So these are pushed into some clips inside the bed assembly itself, and you have to pull really hard, and it's scary and it sounds like madness is what it sounds like. But once those come out, those are they secure pretty well. So then you just plug in your connectors into the bulbs where the bulbs were, and you put this in. One thing I want to note on here, though, is my bolts that came out were Torx, and they were smaller than these. So verify with your truck that you have an actual, I believe this is going to be like a 10mm bolt, 8mm thread, but it's going to take a 10mm socket. So just verify you have the proper bolts for those on your truck, and then simply just plug everything in and get these resistors secured somewhere safe so they don't rattle around, and then just push the light on. Bam, bam, you've got it on there. So check these out. I've got an Amazon link down below so you can see them for yourself. And yeah, so if you're looking to upgrade from incandescent to LED,